Hey everybody, today we're going to be installing the Master Lock Tailgate Lock on a Chevy Silverado 2007. The reason I'm putting this on is I do not have a locking tailgate, and for someone to steal this tailgate, simply have to just pop this off, do that on both sides. You lift this up and that bottom part will pop right out and someone can make off with your tailgate. So I'm going to install this tailgate lock to prevent that. The tailgate lock comes with some Velcro, a couple of keys, and the lock itself. And I'll show you how to put that on. What I'm going to do is just slide this over here. It slides on. So I turn the key, push this bottom part in so it goes up flush against that bolt.